IV or intravenous sedation is one of our most popular procedures. We use a sedation that induces a state of deep relaxation and a feeling of not being bothered by what's going on. The drug used is not a painkiller but a completely safe anxiety medication. You won't feel pain or anxiety. This makes your dental treatment much easier, and you probably won't remember the treatment once the sedation wears off. Most people love IV because before they know it, the dentist says you're all done. Sedation is administered with an ultra-thin needle in your arm or back of hand. Even people who hate needles tell us they hardly feel it. Please ask us about IV sedation for your next procedure.